So first of all guys, I went outside to buy some charcoal because I had no charcoal in the house. Then I came back and started lighting my jiko. Guys, this is the simplest method on how to light your jiko without any struggle. You just need to add some charcoal in your jiko, then sprinkle some moto sawa gel and then washa na kiberiti. No struggle. Na hii method haina moshi, like venye unawashanga jiko moshi iko all over the place. Hii hata hakuna moshi, hakuna mtu atajua hata unawasha jiko. This is the simplest method ever. The moto sawa gel you can get it from the supermarket, wanauza. As I wait for my jiko iwake, I started by washing the stripes. Is it stripes or stripes? The stripes, the matumbo first. I normally wash my meat before I cook. So I wash them first, then I'm going to boil them with some ginger and garlic and salt. So I'm going to use a pressure cooker ndio ive haraka. So I'm going to bring the matumbos to boil until they become soft and tender. So guys, here are my ingredients which I'm going to use to make my matumbo. So I'm going to prepare them as I wait for my tumbo to boil. So I have 2 tomatoes, coriander and onions, and for the onions I'm going to use them for making matumbo and greens. So these are my greens. This is a mixture of spinach and kale and sukuma wiki or kales. So guys, I've already prepped my ingredients. I have here coriander leaves, I have grated tomatoes, I have chopped onions here. Then these are the coriander stalks. I like using coriander stalks when I'm cooking. It gives your food a nice flavor. So if you have been throwing them, now you know. So guys, my matumbo is ready and I've brought my pressure cooker inside so that I can run some cold water on it before I open it. I normally run cold water, or I just wait for it to cool down completely until there's no pressure coming out from here. So guys, I would advise you, if you have this kind of pressure cooker and you don't know how to use it, kindly ask for guidance because this thing is very dangerous. It can explode. If you open it before it cool down, it can explode, or you can even burn. Inaweza kuchoma vibaya sana. So I would ask you to ask for guidance if you don't know how to use this one, or else you just buy the other one, the electric one. So now I'm just going to run cold water until it cools down completely. Ndio nifungue sasa. So now let's open it. Yangu ishapoa vizuri and there's no steam coming out. Yani ishapoa kabisa. Let's test. Let me check if it's already soft. Very soft and tender. Very soft. Let me drain the water so that I can start frying them. So I've already put the cooking oil inside my pot. Then I'm going to add the tripes. Zinaitwa tripes ama stripes? Is it stripes? Is it tripes? So I'm just going to fry them without onions until they turn brown or golden brown, and then I'm going to add the coriander stalks. This coriander stalks gives your foods a nice flavor, so don't always throw them. Usi unatupa hizo coriander stalks, huwa inapatia chakula ladha tamu. So I'm just going to let them to fry. Guys, I forgot to add salt. Just add a little salt. Remember when I was boiling them, nilikuwa nimeweka chumvi, so naweka chumvi kidogo, sikuwe mingi. So guys, you can see they are really brown, golden brown. So next I'm going to add my onions. I love using a lot of onions. Utamu wa chakula ni kitunguu, ni vitunguu. Utamu wa chakula ni vitunguu. So I'm going to leave the onion to saute for about 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. Guys, na hii nyama imeshrink. At first nilikuwa naona ikiwa mingi, sasa hii naona ikiwa kadogo. But anyway, haidhuru. Wacha tupike nyama yetu. So now I'm going to add the tomatoes. For the seasoning, I'm going to add Royco powder and these Royco cubes. You can also add black pepper or any spice of your choice, but for me, I like my matumbo without a lot of spices. So I'm just going to let it simmer until the tomatoes are mashed completely. So guys, as you can see, the matumbos are ready. So lastly, I'm going to add the coriander. So guys, my matumbo is ready and also the greens are ready. So now let's make some ugali. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.